last time I saw you, you had me up in a jackhammer.
Yeah, and you wanted to jackhammer me. You still want to? No.
I don't think I could.
I'm lighter, but
You'd get light for me. I'm sure you would.
I would get light for you because, yes.
We were at Uncle Louie's like charity event in South Florida. And I'm like, do you think he would? He's like, oh, go ask him. And you were like, let's go do it right now. And you throw my arm over and you're like, just make sure to put your legs together. And I think I was just so caught up in the moment. I go up and you can see my legs are way wide. And you're like, put your legs together.
It's nice to know you take instruction well.
But then I finally scissored them together.
Dude, you did well.